2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser stock radio review. Let's get in here and check this daddy out. 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser. PT Loser, that's what they called him. Took this trade in, only has 114,000 miles on it. Not bad, runs good, does need a power steering pump. This is what your stock radio looked like when you had a 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser. It does have a CD player. It's got nice buttons. It does have a somewhat modern look to it. Cheap, of course, like everything else in this car. You can see here we've got buttons at the top, lots of buttons. Got a volume knob, click, 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 I love those. Tuning knob, click, 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 I love those. Set your mode right here. Got your AM, your FM, single CD. It's got to let you know, hey, just a single. Presets right here. Got your auxiliary in. Plug in your Zune. What do we have? Random set. Pretty exciting. Let's go ahead and turn this on, see if it works. Check out some features, see what it sounds like. Waiting for it to come on. Maybe I need to press the power button. There it is, it does work. Awesome. Volume knob. As with all American-made vehicles with volume knobs, it does not respond correctly. Whoa, we're up to 23. Down goes up goes down. Dogs and cats living together. Let's see here. Does it have a CD inside of it? Sometimes they do. Eject button dead center. No CD in there. That's a bummer. Let's go ahead and check out the FM. Put on a channel. Does work. No, this knob is messed up too. Can't get it to go. Can't get it to go. Is there a seek? There is a seek button. Okay, immediately there's a little boom coming on back there. How many speakers do we have? Got a cheaper speaker down there. And I hear some sound from the back. But I can't find the speaker. There it is. Wow, I hear a little boom. The acoustics sound pretty half decent in here. Can you modify your tuning settings for your sound, like your bass, treble, mids? There is a tune button right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that. Push for audio, it says. Okay, bass. You can crank that bass up to 9, and I can't crank it back down. There we go. Put it at 6. What if I hit tune again? Mids. Let's put the mids at 2. Again, the knob not responding. We're gonna leave it at 3. Boom, treble. I like the treble. I like the highs. I like those highs. I like the buys and the guys. What? Here we go. Get that treble up loud. All right, we're gonna crank this for just a second. Besides your volume knobs, which of course always go out on American car stock radios. 1, 2, 3, 4. All those seem to work. There's presets set on here. All right. We're going to give it one quick crank, but try to avoid a content strike, demonetization from YouTube. Let's go ahead and pump it up one time. Here we go.
New Orleans' greatest hits. 106.7 The Crew.
Sounds terrible. So that's the review for the 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser stock radio. Did you own one of these cars? What did you think about it? Was it really a PT Loser? Did you own a vehicle that had this radio? Did you quickly replace it like you should have? Because they use the same parts in all the Chrysler cars and Plymouth and whatever, Dodge, I don't know. Leave your thoughts on this, the car, the radio, both things. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.